Yo, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rozayyy bringing you guys another video. And today's video consists of me surprising my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. I feel like, us girls, we always expect the man to surprise us and get us these big ass gifts or flowers or dinner, blah blah. But my man is currently working. It is Tuesday today, and it is Valentine's today. So I was like, you know what? This is actually the perfect opportunity for me to surprise him. And because it's Tuesday, I'm like, let's not go out, So I decided to do a Korean barbecue at home with my little grill. I'm gonna buy the marinated meat here. Hopefully I find some bulgogi and I don't know, pork belly, or I don't know, some type of meat. And I'm gonna try to get all the sides here that are already prepared. I'm actually right outside H Mart. What's this called? Super H Mart. I did see a few TikToks before coming just to get an idea of everything that I need. We both love Korean barbecues, but we never done it at home, so this is definitely going to be a surprise. Like, okay, hopefully this works out. And I'm actually running out of time here, so I'm gonna go really quick in there. I just decided to do a quick intro for you guys right now, so let me go ahead and get everything that I need, and then once I get back home, I'll show you guys everything that I bought. And then I'm gonna try to set up there, the whole little dining table all cute, but I don't know. I have all these ideas in my head, but I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to do them. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I made it back home in a freaking rush. I was literally like in the freaking store. So we're back and I'm about to show you guys what I got. So I got some rice cakes. These are my favorite. Like, I love these things, and I got the little sauce with it, which it comes in a powder sauce. I usually get like the actual sauce, like liquid sauce. But yeah, I was such in a rush I didn't even look. So hopefully it works the same. I mean, I'm sure it does. And I did get some kimchi radish, or radish kimchi. And that looks delicious too. And I got some sushi. It's some ham sushi. And if you guys don't know, I'm actually allergic to fish or shellfish. I'm still not too sure, but I'm like allergic to shrimp or some type of seafood stuff. So I'm basically avoiding eating seafood, period, because the pain is ridiculous. Like, if you know, you know. So yeah, I got me some ham sushi. Well, for me and him, And I got some marinated pork butt steak. I mean, it's very, very saucy, as you guys can see. And my all-time favorite, or should I say our all-time favorite, is the... This one doesn't even say bulgogi. Hold on. Did I get the wrong one? I don't know, but this one says marinated beef ribeye steak. So I mean, it's just as good, So yeah, this is what this is looking like. Nice and juicy with lots of meat. So this was $12.79, and this pork butt steak was $11.62. So not bad, not bad. So I already got the rice going because that might take a while. And right now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and set up outside. It's actually a beautiful ass day today, which that actually works out perfect, because I kind of did want to do it outside, but I'm like, it's gonna be too cold, I can't. But it worked perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put like a linen on top and put the little griddle out there and start like setting up all of this stuff on little plates, make it all like a real Korean BBQ. So I'm pretty excited and I'm hungry. Yo girl is hungry, so let me get to organizing that right quick. now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the sauce in some boiling water and hope for the best. Alright, so now I'm just gonna stir it. Alright guys, let me show you guys the quick little setup. Look at that. Oh, and I added a little flour at the end. So I got the rice. This is done. It came out perfect. And here are the rice cakes. I already tried them. They're so freaking good. Like, I couldn't wait. Now I'm trying to decide whether I want some wine or I want some White Claws. There's Modelo. I don't know. Guys, I done forgot something so damn important. I'm just so mad. Like, why? I forgot all the sauces. All the sauces they be giving you. You know, the little soybean sauce and the yum yum sauce and the other spicy sauce. I wanted to make that like soybean sauce. I think that's what, no, sesame sauce. I don't know what it's called. But I was gonna buy it and everything, and yeah, I forgot. So I had to come up with my own shit, and yeah, let me show y'all. I have never seen anyone mix shit like this. It came out so damn good. Like, hey. So do you have any idea what we're eating?
There's a cake involved.
Like, something like that.
Like baked red velvet cake or something.
Is that what it tastes like? I mean, smells like. Babe.
Taste the air. I don't know. Holy moly, how did I not even see that? Oh, no fucking way. This dude went out and got some sushi.
And it's like sushi I can eat too.
Oh, really good.
Yeah.
Hey.
And we got some steak bulgogi.
No way, Jose. We're gonna grill it.
And some pork. Pork steak. You're welcome.
Yeah.
This is radish kimchi.
Can I hire you?
For what?
To do the shit every day?
No. We are set to go. So we got our rice, sushi, rice cakes, all the little dipping sauce I just made. And
her experiment.
The kimchi, the meats, the grill's heating up, and this perfect weather.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you too, boo.
And I got my wine.
Modelo time, fool.
Thanks to who?
Oh, Gio. Appreciate you.
He brought some over on Super Bowl night.
While I was drinking White Claws. Face ass.
Yeah.
Thank you for not disrespecting me, home.
He understands.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, so it is a couple hours later and I didn't really record while we were eating because I was just ready to grub and it was so freaking good. I highly recommend you guys try that out. You'll definitely save a lot of money than going to an actual Korean barbecue place. Which we were supposed to go to a Korean barbecue on Saturday, but we might not even go there anymore just because we got that craving out the way. So I don't know, maybe some type of steakhouse, like a Brazilian steakhouse or something. I don't know. They also have a bakery at the H Mart, which I did buy 2 little cakes, one for my mother and one for my boyfriend. So we did have that for desserts, and we're hella stuffed. Like, it is time to go to bed. So I hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching and for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.